Okay, I have hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram and over 1 million across my social media accounts. But something people rarely ever talk about is Pinterest as a platform, and a platform that you can actually make money from. If you go to my Pinterest, you can see it's not like I'm crazy viral on Pinterest, but I do have 5,000 followers there and I've been able to make money from it. So in this video, I wanted to show you how and how you can make money from it as well. Now, I'm going to bring you to my phone real quick to show you where the money that I made from Pinterest actually came from. And if I go to my DMs on here and I scroll down, you can see it actually came from someone who watched one of my videos and wanted to know where they can get juggling balls like the ones that I used in my video. Related to my account on social media, I also sell juggling balls. As you can see here, this is my online store. And so naturally, when he asked in the DMs what juggling balls should I use, I linked him to my juggling balls, and through this, I was actually able to make a sale. And just to confirm that and show you guys that this is real, you can see on Pinterest, his name is Garrison, and he messaged me about this around a year ago on January 23rd, 2024. And if we look in my store, and just so you guys know, I'm fully transparent with like how much money I make and from where, so you can see here all my earnings. If we look, we can see that Paul Garrison on January 23rd, 2024 actually went ahead and bought my juggling balls. So we know that that was coming from him as a Pinterest order, which is crazy. And don't worry if you don't have your own products, because there's a way to do this even without products, so I'll show you that in a second. But what's crazy about this is I wasn't even manually posting my videos to Pinterest. So all I actually did is I used a tool called Repurpose, which I'll leave the link to in the description. It's 100% free to start, by the way. You can just click login with Google. And what it lets you do is it lets you set up automations between whatever your main social media platform is to every single other platform. So all I did is I set up some automations from Instagram to every single other platform, including X, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok, and I also have some going to Facebook and Threads, which go up automatically since Instagram already lets you upload to those automatically. So yeah, you can set up an automation, and you can see if I look at my workflow to Pinterest, this is exactly what I have set up. Whenever I upload a new video, you can see this one was literally uploaded today, December 8th, 2025. It will automatically get published to Pinterest without me having to do any work. And if I go to settings, you can see you can just make your own content schedule. I just have it posting all of my future content, so every new video that I upload from now, and all my existing content, so everything that's already on my Instagram account. And I have it posting 4 times a day, most importantly with the default Pinterest link being a link to my juggling ball set. And so you can do the exact same thing no matter what you post. All you have to do is change this link to whatever the thing that you plug in your videos is. And if you don't have any products, you actually don't have to worry about it whatsoever, because you can just work for companies that actually own the products and know how to get sales as an affiliate. For example, Amazon has a public-facing affiliate program that literally anyone can join. And so the way this works is, let's say you make videos about baking, you could find a baking specific product. And once you find a product that actually meshes well with your videos and you're in the Amazon affiliate program, all you have to do is click get link, and then it generates an automatic link for you that you get a 4.5% commission of the total revenue of this product on every single sale that you make. So I would just replace this link here with that. Obviously, I'm not going to, since I'm not someone who bakes. And then if you just click save, now you'd be able to make sales on Pinterest from content that you're already posting on your main social media platform. It's literally no extra work. And from using repurpose.io, I've made my return back an insane amount, not only from sales that I've gotten from Pinterest and other platforms, but also from the direct return from ad revenue that I get from YouTube, TikTok, etc. So I highly, highly recommend using Repurpose if you're trying to make extra money with social media. It's just the biggest no-brainer of all time. And yeah, with that being said, that's how I made money with Pinterest, and that's how you can too. This channel is dedicated to the mission of helping creators get more views, gain more followers, and earn more money with social media. And so if we followed through with that mission today, make sure to leave a like on the video, for the algorithm. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one, and peace.